Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of switching auto cleaning back to default in Instagram's Accounts Center. If you want to restore the default settings for auto clearing your search history, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the three stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the options displayed, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a submenu with various settings and privacy options. Step 4. Now, tap on Accounts Center. This is where you can manage your connected accounts and settings. Step 5. Inside Accounts Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. This section allows you to control your personal information and privacy settings. Step 6. Next, tap on Search History. This is where you can access and manage your Instagram search history. Step 7. Tap on Autoclear Search History. This is the option that controls the automatic clearing of your search history. Step 8. Finally, select Default to switch back to the default auto cleaning settings for your search history. By following these steps, you can easily switch auto cleaning back to default in Instagram's Account Center, ensuring that your search history is handled according to the default settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.